Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics, taking a look at the new 2018 JL Wrangler. Now we've got an unlimited sport model here with the standard model fender lights with an incandescent amber bulb. Now that running light can be upgraded to a white premium LED from the factory, but we can get that same look with the standard lamps with just a simple bulb upgrade. So as you can see on the passenger side, we've already completed the upgrade. It only takes about 15 minutes and it'll give us that nice white LED look. Let's get started. All we have to do to swap out this bulb is look underneath the fender, and we're going to remove this one plastic rivet. So if you have one of these trim tools, they work great, or you can get it with a flathead screwdriver. Just pull it straight out, and then we're just going to pull back on the plastic a bit, get under there, pop it out for a second, and we're going to be removing the bulb that's right up here. So we're just going to reach in and twist it counterclockwise. It's just a standard socket, and the bulb itself will come right out. So there it is. Grab your new Diode Dynamics Switchback bulb, pop it right in, and if you want to, you can test it out, but then we're just going to line it up, put it straight back into the socket, and twist to lock in place. Now, pop your plastic back in, and throw your locking screw back in to hold everything back in place. Let's just repeat the process on the other side and check it out. As you can see, this only takes a couple minutes per side, making it one of the easiest upgrades you can do to your new JL. We now have a nice, cool white, modern LED look. These bulbs are switchback LEDs too, which means whenever you hit your key fob or your turn signal, they'll switch to a nice bright amber output as that turn signal indicator. Now, like any LED bulb, these use less power, so in the dash you're going to get a fast blinking. It'll still blink at the normal rate outside the vehicle, just like factory. If you want to fix that, you can add a set of resistors on the circuit. It only takes another couple minutes. But otherwise, you're ready to hit the road with your nice cool white LED appearance on your new JL. You can find these products online at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find it at a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.